Good day, investors. My name is Ebube from Correct Homes and Properties, and today I bring you updates on Peak Luxury Court. Peak Luxury Court located in Sangotedo. A lot of clients, a lot of prospects have been asking me what is going on Peak Luxury Court. Maybe you guys said it's a ready-to-build land. Why is nothing going on yet? So I bring you updates on Peak Luxury Court. So first of all, before now, the recreation center has been erected, as you can see from this video. That is the football pitch, and the other side is the tennis courts. So the gatehouse is standing, and the road right in front of Peak is being interlocked. As I speak to you right now, the road is being interlocked, and aside that, building demarcation for building has started inside Peak Luxury Court. And don't forget that also some clients have been allocated, and their building approval should come out soon if it's not already out, because for the company itself to start building here, it means the building approval is out. And right here, you're looking right in front of me, you can see that the land has been pegged, and this space that you're looking at right now is going to be used. The terrace building are going to start here. Don't forget that we also sold bungalows, we sold terraces inside Peak Luxury Court apart from the land. So this is a land that clients can build themselves, and clients who don't want to go to the wahala of building, they can invest in any of the bungalows or the terraces, because of course they are still available for sale. And we also have commercial plots available, and businesses are going to be done in those commercial plots by residents of the estate. So Peak Luxury Court is coming up, serious work is going on, and like I was explaining earlier, this is going to be the side for the terraces. You can see it has been pegged, and the road is also being demarcated. The tractors are pushing the sand in so they can demarcate the road, and people who has been allocated can have access to their plots, and they can also start building. But this right here is the side for the terraces. And you know one beautiful thing, when an estate, when a developer himself has plans to build, an estate develops very fast. You understand? When a developer himself has plans to build, the estate develops very fast. So that is one of the reasons why I am so crazy about Peak Luxury Court. And not only that, the location is just out of this world. That's why I keep telling people who care to listen that if you have the funds, Peak Luxury Court is where you should be putting your money. Wherever you are, Sangotedo is a place you can live. No matter what kind of financial level you are in, Sangotedo is a place you can live. And one of the best places is Peak Luxury Court. Just on that Monastery Road, you drive down, and just to the right, just to the left is where you have Peak Luxury Court. The whole of Monastery Road itself is like the Lekki Phase 1 of Sangotedo. So you are building your property in a prime place. So these terraces are going to be facing this way. These terraces you see, they are going to be facing this way, and some other ones are going to come up here, and they are going to be facing each other. This one is face this way, this one will face this way, and at the back over there is where we would have the bungalows, and clients who have also been allocated can also have their houses on those other side. But this place is the commencement of the terrace building. So building has started at Peak Luxury Court. So for the early birds who got in early, who are subscribing to one of these terraces, as you can see from what I'm showing you, the pegging has been done. I just spoke to the engineer, and he said these are the terraces. And Peak Luxury Court is a place you can still invest in. Don't miss out on it. And something I also want to show you is that the blocks being used for this building are produced by themselves. They are producing the blocks themselves, and the reason being that so that they can assure quality. And they are not just produced with sand, they are produced with what we call sand dust, just not ordinary sand. This material here is what they are using to produce the block, and it gives them so much durability. These kind of blocks are more expensive than the normal blocks that's just done with this kind of sand and cement. This is what they are using to produce the blocks, as you can see right here. And they are also producing their own interlock blocks here too. So Peak Luxury Court is standard. It's not just luxury, it's also standard, and it's giving you the best quality material at the best possible price. So I was talking to somebody yesterday and I said, if you are sure that you can come up with 1.7 million naira on a monthly basis, you can have yourself 300 square meters here. If you're sure that you can come up with 2.4 million naira on a monthly basis, you can have yourself 400 square meters here. And if you're sure that you can come up with 3.5 million naira monthly, you can have yourself 600 square meters here. So in that breakdown, it means for initial deposit, after the initial deposit, then 1.7, 2.4 or 3.5, depending on what you feel your dream home should look like. The title remains C of O. Fantastic property. And don't forget, the commercial plots are still available at 100,000 per square meter. 100,000 naira per square meter. 100,000 naira per square meter. So don't forget, I mentioned that the recreational centers have been done. The football pitch is standing, the tennis court is standing, the gatehouse is standing, the drainage is being worked on, which is always going to be an ongoing project. The drainage is being worked on. It's going to be an ongoing project. You don't do drainage once and just leave it because you are doing for the whole of the estate. So as they occupy more land, they will do more drainage. The sand is being pushed in to demarcate the road, and building has started. And the road outside, not done by Peak Luxury anyway, but they are interlocking that road too. That road, if you've watched some of my videos before, I explained how that road came in from a town at the back here called Mopo Town, all the way to the Monastery Road. So that is how the road is going to be done, and it's going right in front of Peak Luxury. So the road going inside right in front of Peak Luxury Court is going to be interlocked too. So this is not a video I prepared for. I brought some clients for inspection around here and I saw what is going on. I said I should let you know. For clients who have invested and those who are still looking to invest, but you're just waiting for something to start before you commit your money, this is the right place to do it. And one thing I love about this place, like I mentioned earlier, is the payment plan. It's already broken down. 1.7 million naira monthly, you have 300 square meters. 2.5 million naira monthly, you'd have 400 square meters, and 3.5 million naira monthly, you'd have 600 square meters. This is not something you should miss. This is not something you should miss. This is a place you can build your house, no matter your financial level. This is a place you can build. This is a place you can live. I can assure you that the environment is very secure, and I can assure that before you come back to Nigeria after you've built your house here, you for yourself, there's nobody I have brought here that did not like the environment. People who have not invested here, I can tell you that it is money that is stopping them. If you have money and you're looking for where to put it, Peak Luxury Court is the right place to put it. I also said that you can do three things here at Peak Luxury Court. You can buy to build, you can buy to add value. If you are a real estate investor and you want to make money from real estate, Peak Luxury Court is one of those places you can buy. Like the company is building now, you too, you can build your own terraces, you can build your own duplexes, and you can resell or rent out to people. I also said it's a place you can also buy and hold. Yes, it's a place you can also buy and hold. If it's selling for 35 million naira now, I can guarantee you that in the next 4 years, it will be selling close to 60, 70 million. And that will give you more money than when, that will give you more money on the short time than when you commit to long-term projects. You understand what I mean? So I tell investors every time, there are two kinds of land you are supposed to have. You're supposed to have a land in the city, and you're supposed to have lands in places people consider bush at the moment. Now the land in the city, you're going to use that to hold yourself, and in the next 2 or 3 years you can flip that or do whatever it is you want with it and get your money back. And that one in the bush, that one is for the future. By the time people realize that, oh, they need to have land there, they will be buying from you because you're already gone ahead of them to have a land there. So don't waste this opportunity. Don't waste this opportunity. Thank you so much.